I like the way being himself. It's very good to watch Sriram sir and spending time with him. And according to the film, the great thing I learned from him is I spent about 25 to 30 days with Sriram sir. So what I believe is when the directors, when they write a story or something, when they discuss a story, to design the dialogues. Suppose if there is a scene, there is a dialogue. So they take so much of time to come to the dialogue. This is the dialogue my actor is going to speak. But before that, they might have so many thoughts. So everything they can't communicate to actors. So when I spend time with my director, I can understand the person who he is and how he wanted to conceive the film and everything. That happened between me and him, and then I am applying those tactics in my next films also, which is helping me so much. It is giving me freedom of thoughts and expressions when I go to set.